Hi friends, welcome to DIYs with Nosh. Today we are going to share two makeovers with you, farmhouse makeovers. The first one being this can over here, it's a chickpea can. We're going to give it a makeover, give it a nice shabby chic farmhouse look. Let's begin with. Just got some paint in here. I'm going to first prepare the surface of the can by removing all these bits of label and sanding it nicely on all sides so that it's ready for the paint. Wiping it off with some baby wipes, and now I'm going to start dabbing the paint. This is not going to be painting but more of dabbing strokes so that it creates this texture. So once I completed the first coat, I decided to give an enamel look to the edges of this can. So I kind of painted it black, very soft paint. However, as you can see, I kind of smothered it, and then I decided that I'll give it a weathered look rather than an enamel look. So that's what I'm doing now. That's how it turned up, and I was fine with that. I think it looks pretty. I painted this plastic lid and also added a bead on top, and then I just tied this buffalo check ribbon across on the top. I'm now completing the shabby chic slash farmhouse look by decoupaging this label on top of it. I'm adding my decoupage glue. You can use Mod Podge, it will do exactly the same job as well. And after one even coat, I'm going to place the label, which is just, it's not a special label, it's just been printed off the printer. My son did that for me. I just got it free download from one of the websites. I'm also applying the decoupage glue on top of the label so that I could seal it. And after that, I'm going to add a twine on top of the ribbon, the buffalo check ribbon, with the bead attached to it. And voila, that's it. So the next project is the makeover of an IKEA photo frame. Don't forget to see right up to the end because I'm sharing 4 of my other versions of the same photo frame. Hello friends, we're going to recycle this frame here. It doesn't have a backing, it's an IKEA frame, lost it somewhere, the transportation I suppose. So first step we're going to do is clean it up a little bit. Doesn't need to be cleaned, but anyway, I'm going to color it. Just and one of the things that I'm going to do is, I've got this, I'm going to paint this further, but meanwhile I've got this little cutting, cardboard cutting, and I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to cut these guys here, these tongue twisters. I'm going to place it here, short distance, this way. I don't think we can do it this way because these sticks are not so large. Yeah, I don't think we can do it this way. Or maybe we can. Maybe we can do it this way as well. There'll be a little bit of an arch which will be seen over here though. No, let's not. Oh, let's avoid that. I'll do it on this. Yeah. My sweaters have got all the kind of stains in the world. Anyways. We will do the sides as well as the insides as well over here. It's a little later. I'm just going to cut this off now. We're going to cut all of them, place them over here, and hot glue them. Now that we've positioned these, we're just going to start gluing it. going this way. Here it's a little bit out. Now we can embellish it or fill it up with what we'd like. I've got this. It's ready made. We hang it here. Yeah. Thank you very much for visiting me today, friends. I hope you found some inspiration in some of my projects. In my channel, I share a whole lot of trash to treasure projects. So I hope you will have a look at some of the other videos as well. If you like this tutorial, please like it and give it a thumbs up. You could also leave me a note in the comment section to let me know what you like and what you didn't like about my projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know when I upload new videos. So just applied some glue here to take it up here. Just turned it around on the back side. Yeah, I think this looks pretty. Yep, for sure. Thank you again for visiting me today. Don't forget to see right up to the end where I'm going to share 4 of the other versions for the same frame. I wanted to create a textured effect with the shiplap shape, but I decided against it. Then I decided maybe I would place it between the larger frame and center, and I decided against that as well. So then I thought about why not place these leaves, one of these leaves, and that would give a nice rustic look, very farmhouse-ish. But I decided against that too. Lastly, I was thinking about how do I fill it up, maybe with this Dollar Tree little board, chalkboard, but no. So you see, creativity is not really about attaining perfection, but for me it's a journey of exploration with textures, design, color, styles, and pattern and perspective. Nothing is perfect, but it is beautiful.